Angzeng railaya sandeng menda Ang mane rao hazenai Angzeng railaya sandeng menda Ang mane rao hazenai Dinet benang ni mohra Ang iker berbikayau Berisong pati nedongo Dinet benang gaya blana Bergaya Dinet Listen up, girl, your love is matter for you, girl. I make you feel more just like they am. All hits can be crossed with the stroke of fire. I've never thought of rapping hardcore, and I haven't got no, I never believed in love. But still, I feel like I like you with my heart. I'm so crazy. You can see me taking other girls like I'm zombie to life, but that's not real, though. Cause it's just straight love. I love to be alive. This must fit for it with day to day, boring and tiring life. But for you, girl, I'm still living a life. With you, girl, I feel like rapping with Eminem and Rihanna, checking at me like she'd love me to the end of all. It's a love story. Can you handle me in this day to life? Just for the fact that I'll be with you for the rest of my life. Girl, I need to tell you a story, which is very funny, cause I know you love me dearly. Sẽ có bài đại ang ma hơ bao nơ ti ne bơ na ni mo hora ang ni ker bơ bi kaya bay son ni body na do mo ti ne bơ na gaya bla na bơ gaya ti ne bơ I'm looking like, feeling like funny. She is acting like, feeling like she wants me. I got my eye on her, can't keep it off her. She got her eye on me, can't keep it off me. Man, I'm going crazy by the beauty of the girl. She's killing me softly. If you're feeling the same about me, please do tell me. Honey, checking you from across the room, feeling like I gotta talk to you. No, I can't take it no more. I need to kick that problem which is standing there between you and me. I can't tell you why, cause you're only type of girl. No, there's nothing in this world that can stop me from liking you until you tell me to get away from you and your life. Now there's something that's real, something I feel, something I trust you for, something I love for. Cause there's no one like you, there's no one like me, cause there's no one like us. You are the only type of girl. I love you, baby, I keep coming for you. Honey, no, she doesn't listen to her friends, cause she knows who I am.